Hello, this is Chris and from the PULWTOP. Yes, PULWTOP is the manufacturing for making the USB C hub and docks, especially for the Apple accessories, and such as like the iMac USB C hub, Mac Mini USB C hub and docks, and also for the vertical docking station. And today we will introduce to you and for the USB C hub for iMac 24. And this is the different you will check on the boxing. It's the big one, and it's also number one. We can check, and for this one is for iMac docking station, and also with the M.2 SSD case, we have the SD and TF, and also have 10 Gbps. This all of the product comes from the PULWTOP. Okay, you can check on the boxing. The first step, we can get the unboxing of this product. We can get the first look. We have the cover to protect the package, and also we take the product. We have the white box and to package the product. Okay, and we can check. We have the bag and to protect this product. And we will check what the accessories did this product have. This one have one manual and teach you how to use of this product. And also we have the accessories and for the SSD. And we have the USB-C to C cable and to connect the iMac 24 and with the iMac dock. Okay. And the secondly, we got the first look of the iMac USB C hub. We can check. This is blue color and all of made by aluminum. You can check the design, all of like the Apple, the material. We can check for each angle and also for each design and for the perfect the material and to match our iMac 24. Okay, and we can check. We had a port on the two sides, and the first side, and we have the SD and the TF, and also we have the 10 Gbps for the USB-C and for the USB-A. And on the bottom we have the SSD case, and it's comfortable for the NVMe SSD case. We can check. We use the magnetic, and for the design, no need screws. And this is magnetic. Yes, it's very easy to take it out. We can check this can comfortable for the three size, and the first size is 22 and 42 and 22 and 30, 22 and 60 and 22 and 80. And for three size is universal comfortable for the most of the SSD. Yes. And this only comfortable for the NVMe SSD case. So, and I have the SSD, and it will be no need to have the driver. It's plug and play, just connect it, and on here on the cast nut, yes, such as like this. And we pull the rubber outside, and we pull the outside, and we pull the rubber and to the SSD, and just to press and install already. And also we have the accessories and for the heat dissipation, and for the heat dissipation for this one. Yes, and just to use this one. And we take the transparent tears off, and we pull the rubber on the SSD. It will help the heat dissipation, and it will be more good for the heat dissipation. Yeah. Okay, and we just to put our cover and into the to fix the cover. Okay. Yes. It's such a like of this, and it's magnetic, and no need driver, just to install the SSD. and it will be identified SSD. Yes, okay. And also we can check on the back, we have the USB 2.0, because as you know, for the iMac 24, we only have the USB-C port on the back, and only 1, 2, 3, 4. And when we have the mouse and keyboard for the USB-A devices, we have no the port we can connect it directly to the iMac 24. So we need to connect it here on this 2 port, and for the data and also for the data transfer, we can use it. U-disk mouse is also okay. And also for the SD and TF, if you have the camera, and for the SD and TF, you need to transfer the data and into your iMac 24, you need to connect it, or you need to buy some adapters and to transfer from the SD card and to read on your iMac 24. If you have this docking station, you will read directly and all universal and whatever when you use the SD or TF, and whatever when you use the high-speed SSD for USB-A, for the USB-C, it's also okay. Yeah, it supports, you can use all the function together, okay? And this is the function we just to introduce to you. And we also can check the design of this docking station. Yes, when you get this product, also when you get a first look of this product, you will have some question why you do such so big, but it's so slim. Yeah, you will check, it's so slim, but it's very longer because we just want to match our iMac, and also it's very, very beautiful and don't to make our many parts on the front. So we want to and keep the integrity of the iMac and also give the good product and for the iMac 24. And we just to use this product and such as like this one. Yes, just to push. Yes, such as like this. You can use the port on the side, on the back, and also you can use the USB-C to C cable and to connect this dock and from the iMac. And no need driver, just to connect it from the dock to your iMac. Then the hub will be work properly. And also you can check the design. You will check the keyboard like the iMac. It's a keyboard. We just do the keyboard size, and for this iMac USB-C hub, we can put our the keyboard and into the dock, into the hubs. It's the same size, and it's really, really very, very beautiful and to match the keyboard and for the iMac 24. And it's a good design, and also to meet your requirement of your daily use, such as like the USB flash, and also for some U-disk, and also for some SSD, USB-A and USB-C, and also for the SD and TF. And also for if you have no the storage for your iMac 24, you can also to expand the 40B at max and to expand your storage and for your daily use. This is good. Yes. Okay, thank you.